What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And today we have an update concerning more layoffs coming to Sterling Heights assembly plant. All right, guys, so welcome on back to TK's Garage. So in today's video, I'm literally talking about Sterling Heights Assembly. Now, I talked about this earlier, and that there could be 600 to 800 layoffs. A lot of people said, oh, they won't be able to run if that's the case. But according to Stellantis, these are redundant or positions that another employee can do both of those things. And that's what Stellantis is looking at doing. Instead of, like paying the multiple employees to do it, they're going to have one employee, in some cases, doing three things, which is ridiculous. No response. They are talking about strike authorizations again in the beginning of the year in January. Now, that could hurt Stellantis at that point because then they can't get those chargers out. But that would have to mean that the people in Canada would also have to agree to strike when the Americans or the UAW strikes here in the U.S. And I just don't see that happening. It's been a slow trickle. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's not that bad. But when you really start adding up all the numbers, it's 50 here at Jefferson and Mack, 50 there, 50 here, 50 there, 1,100 gone over at Toledo on the Jeep side as they completely eliminate a shift. And it looks like they're going to do the same thing at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant, or what they like to call SHAP. I hate seeing these, but I got contacted by 4 more employees today that are like management, and they're saying that they're hearing the same things coming from corporate that I was told a couple of weeks ago. It sucks. It's never a good thing, but especially at this time of year, we're coming into Thanksgiving and we got Christmas, a little more than a month away, just right at a month away. And it's just a sucky time for this kind of stuff to be going on. But Stellantis is looking at every available avenue they can to save money right now. With the EV tax credits being eliminated in January, they could be losing hundreds of millions of dollars in subsidies from the U.S. government, and they could be also paying tariffs on vehicles that they ship back in. They're looking at trying to save every single dollar they can. Stellantis never gets the message, though, that that's not the way to do it. That's not the way to properly run an automotive company. And just when you think like they're going to do some of the right things, it just doesn't look good. It just doesn't. But I digress. Not a super long video. Just wanted to give you guys an update on this. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you work at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant? Did you hear the same things that I've been hearing? And this isn't like the normal 50 people, full-time employees here, 50 there. They're looking at probably right before Christmas, and that's the other sucky part. It's it's going to happen probably right before Christmas, where they just drop 600 to 800 people. Ugh. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.